G'day everyone and welcome back to Two Bakers in Boston. In today's video we are visiting the Gulf of Porto. Now, the Gulf of Porto is located on the central western coast of the island of Corsica, France. It is the first natural inscribed site under UNESCO for France and it was inscribed back in 1983. We visited the Gulf of Porto in early June 2025. We hired a car from Bonifacio and we basically drove up the western coast until we arrived. We hugged the southern border of the Inscribed site and basically drove through the escarpment from there. There was an amazing view through the dash cam footage, as you can see, and also had an opportunity to get the drone up as well to get some nice aerial shots. Natural inscribed sites within UNESCO are probably my favourite to visit, and certainly the Gulf of Porto did not disappoint. The Natural Reserve itself forms part of the Regional National Park of Corsica. It occupies the Scandola Peninsula, an impressive poritic rock mass. The site includes a coastline of astonishing beauty, studded with offshore islands, inlets and sea pillars rising out of the translucent waters. On the shore itself there are hidden coves and long beaches of fine sand, sea grottos and high cliffs of blood-red porphyry. The vegetation is an outstanding example of scrubland. Seagulls, cormorants and sea eagles can be found here. The clear waters with their inlets and inaccessible caves host a rich marine life. France has since had some further natural inscribed sites, but this being the first certainly I think sets the mark, and exploring it both from a land perspective but also on the water itself, and getting the drone up to get a bird's eye view has been a wonderful experience. If you have the time and the ability, I highly recommend you drive around the site and then undertake a cruise of the bay itself. We didn't get to experience a great deal of the marine biodiversity. Certainly, probably in the warm months, I would have taken a bit of a snorkel, which some of the cruises offer. But certainly, just the visual perspective as you cruise around the bay is awe-inspiring in itself. We hope you really enjoyed our visit to the Gulf of Porto as much as we did. It's one of those inscribed sites that's probably least visited given its location, but certainly it's earned its position as being inscribed within UNESCO itself. And we hope to see you at the next UNESCO site. Cheers for now.